Welcome back to the e-learning online course on designing e-resources. Next session, interactive exercises using hot potatoes. We can create interactive exercise using hot potato software. In this video, you will learn how to install hot potatoes in your computer, then how to view sample exercises in hot potatoes. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, MS Office Home and Student 2016. Both are licensed versions and free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. Let us know how to load these hot potatoes in your computer. For that, if you type hot potatoes in Google, it will take you to the hot potatoes homepage. This hotpot.uvic.ca. Now the latest version of hot potatoes available is version 7. Come down. Here you are having download hot potatoes for Windows. Click it here and you will get an installer and it will download. It is 8.5 MB. It will not take much time. It will go to your download page or directly you can click it and you can start loading the hot potatoes in your computer. The user interface is very easy. It is user friendly. You have to click next and go to the final stage of finishing and you can load the hot potatoes in your computer. Regarding hot potatoes, it includes 6 applications enabling us to create interactive multiple choice, short answer, jumble sentence and crossword matching, ordering, gap fill in exercise for the World Wide Web. It's a freeware and you may use it for any purpose or project you like. It is not open source. The Java version provides all the features found in the Windows except you cannot export your object from Java hot potatoes. Okay, you have to click this executive file and you know that how to do it, and you have to go for allow it and SNS. Okay, now already I have loaded it in my laptop. I will show you. This is the icon for hot potatoes, hot potato 7. You click it and hot potatoes open. Remember, you cannot maximize it. This is the full size of the hot potatoes. In our upcoming videos, we will see one after the other how to use this JClose, JQuiz, JCross, JMix and JMatch. Before that, let us go to this help and then go to this tutorial. It is always better to see it once before you start using it. Click this start. It will tell what is hot potatoes, what is new version 7, getting started potatoes 1 by 1. And you can click this go potato 1 by 1. It tells you what is the meaning of JQuiz, JClose, JMatch, JMix, JCross and the masher. If you click this JQuiz, it tells you that how you have to do it. So it also gives you 3 steps in making an exercise. I will go back. Similarly, this JClose also it tells you how you have to do it, and it tells you 3 steps in making an exercise also. Or you can use it as a tutorial to prepare JQuiz, JClose, JMatch, JMix and JCross. Please play around and devote some more time to look after how a question based exercises, gap fill exercises can be done using hot potatoes. Using these hot potatoes, you can create these exercises and you can share it with your children. They can do it in their browsers and they can check the answer also. Let us see what you have to do. Let us start. Install the hot potatoes in your computer. And as I told you that how to use the sample exercises available using the tutorial. This tutorial is over here. Already I showed you. We just to go to this JQuiz based, then it will tell you 3 steps and it will tell you that go, then click go, and it will tell you how you have to do, then go, then it will tell you go and then it will tell you how you have to do it. Okay. The remaining steps and how to use the hot potatoes, how to make exercises will be discussed in the upcoming videos.